Hello everyone, it's Shoni here, and today we'll be showing you other ridiculously silly conversations that you can have with your Google Assistant. So as you know, voice search is on the rise, right? So we have Siri for Apple, Bixby for Samsung, and Alexa for Amazon. And for those of us who are very fond of Google, there's Google Assistant too. Now, as you might know, Google Assistant helps with a lot of things, right? Mainly search. But did you know that Google Assistant can help you with other things as well, including cleaning your room? And we're about to have these silly conversations right now, and Google may or may not answer me properly, okay? So let's jump into this.
Okay, Google, tell me a joke.
Here we go. Which is the saddest cheese? Blue cheese.
Make me laugh.
Okay, here you go. Trust your calculator. It's something to count on.
Clean my room.
Let me try. Did anything happen? Sorry, I guess I can't.
Can you do a beatbox?
If you want to freestyle, my friend has you covered.
Can you rap?
I'm inside a machine, so I can't technically breathe, but that doesn't mean that we can't achieve. I'm here to assist, if you get my drift, so let's have a nice time. I hope you like my rhyme.
What does a cat sound like?
This is a cat.
What about a dog?
This is a dog.
What does the fox say?
Ring ding 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 a ding, and wah pa 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 pow, or so I've heard.
Flip a coin.
All right. You got heads.
Tickle tickle.
I guess the word tickle makes me laugh.
Self-destruct.
Destructing in 3, 2, 1. Only joking. Hiya.
Well, that's all she wrote. So do you have other silly conversations that you have with Google? Tell us in the comment section down below. And don't forget to leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. And tap that bell icon to stay updated to our every upload. And don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you haven't seen last week's video, the annotation to that is right over here. Or you can find those links in the description down below. So thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you next time. Bye!